Hello and welcome to TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In today's video, we will walk you through how to report the TL11A form on TaxTron Web. So first, what is TL11A form? The TL11A form allows you to claim a tax credit for tuition fees paid to a foreign educational institution. This credit can help reduce your money owing to the government if you're attending university or college outside of Canada. The TL11A form's calculation and tax treatment is similar to the T2202 form, tuition slip for Canadian tuition fees, but TL11A specifically used to report tuition fees paid to educational institutions outside of Canada. Let's start with eligibility. To claim this credit, you need to be enrolled in a qualifying foreign educational institution recognized by the Canadian tax authorities. Note, for the TL11A form, you will need to request your educational institution to provide you the form. Now, let's walk through the process of reporting the TL11A on TaxTron Web with a practical example. Start by logging into your TaxTron account. Navigate to the T1 Client section and select an existing client or create a new return. For this tutorial, we will use an existing client. Before proceeding, ensure that the personal information, such as your first name, last name, SIN, and marital status, under the Identification section is complete and accurate. Next, navigate to the Income section from the left-hand menu. And answer yes to the question, did you work in 2023? Then, check the T4 box and click Next. Now, let's input T4 information. For this example, we will enter an income of $35,000 and complete the rest of the T4 boxes as shown in the video. As you can see, the current balance owing is $2,146.69. Now, let's head over to the Deductions section. From the left-hand menu, click on Deduction Profile. Select the Student Profile option and then click Next. On the next screen, choose Studying Abroad. Once you do that, the TL11A form will appear for you to fill out. Now let's complete the TL11A form step by step. Here, you will be prompted with 3 important questions. Do you have a disability or impairment that prevents you from enrolling full-time? Are you transferring the tuition expenses? Are you transferring the tuition expenses to someone other than your spouse? Answer yes or no based on your personal situation. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will answer no to all 3 questions. Now, enter the following information. The name of your educational institution. The tuition fees you have paid. For example, we have input tuition fees of $25,000. Then choose the country where you paid the tuition. For this example, we will select Australia. If applicable, you can also enter the exchange rate manually. But don't worry, software will automatically convert the fees to Canadian dollars. Lastly, choose whether you are a full-time or part-time student. After entering the tuition details, you will see now the person is getting refund of $519.97, thanks to the tuition deduction. To review the detailed breakdown, navigate to the Review and File section. And print the record keeping. Then, go to the S11 form, where you will find the eligible tuition fees paid to foreign educational institutions for 2023 listed on line 32001, converted into Canadian dollars. In this example, the amount is $22,417.50. Based on the individual's income, the tuition tax credit of $17,981.97 will be reported on line 32300 of your T1 General. And the remaining tuition amount of $4,435.53 will be unused for the current year, but can be carried forward to future years. And that's it. You have successfully reported your TL11A form on TaxTron Web and maximized your tuition deduction. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.